Hi there, we're back! After 4 successful Kickstarter campaigns, we now have redesigned a classic at the crowd's request. Our goal? To design a lightweight skillet with all the upsides of cast iron and none of the downsides. All gain, no pain. Meet the Buccaneer pan. It's rock solid and suitable for all heat sources, but without heavy lifting or hand burns, and all for a fair price. To use every day, for every dish, and to last a lifetime. As usual, we asked our 10,000 crowd cookware backers for input, and we invited you to test it. Right, guys? We tested their baking, frying, sautéing, roasting, and steaming capacities.
What's the first thing when you open the box?
Wow.
Wow.
I thought it was really pretty.
Our new and improved honeycomb pattern ensures better substance distribution and prevents food sticking to your pan.
There's no sticking, no issues whatsoever with it.
But the non-sticking part, it's absolutely fantastic.
The Buccaneer is easy to clean and just as strong as a traditional cast iron pan, but then 50% lighter thanks to the pressed casting innovation, and for a fair price.
It was lighter than I expected. It was just the right height.
It is so light. I have a cast iron skillet, and the weight is not the same. It's really light.
I took one tissue, 2 seconds, and the pan was clean.
You can use the Buccaneer on all heat sources. And thanks to our coolest handle, burning your hands or tinkering with pot holders with cast iron is history from now on.
The pan heats up really well, but the handle stays surprisingly cool.
Not a problem at all to grab it with confidence and know you're not going to get burned.
Why is it called the Buccaneer? Well, that was our backer Sean's fabulous idea, and we loved it. This is how we create chef-grade cookware for a fair price with the crowd. Let's kickstart the Buccaneer now, a redesigned classic cast iron pan that finally solves all issues of cast iron.
Yes, we
I already told my grandma she needs one.
I'm always saying to my girlfriend, "Oh, this pan it's just amazing. I love it."
From 1 to 10, 100.
Hi, are you a spray bottle power user? Someone who works in the garage, around the yard, cleans in general? Or maybe you just have a strange way of cooling off on a hot day? Then you know this one just doesn't do the job. Introducing Pivot, a better way to spray. The Pivot spray bottle is the solution. It's a robust and ergonomic spray tool with a pivoting trigger sprayer that rotates 180 degrees. And comfort grip mean less hand and arm fatigue, allowing you to spray continuously at any angle and until the last drop. A dual safety lock to help secure the chemicals from unwanted use. Oh wait, can I get that bottle back? Here's what's wrong with these traditional spray bottles. As a power user, you know there are problems with spray bottles. When you get halfway through them, it'll hardly even spray without bubbles and air coming out. There's liquid in here, but this is all you get. Plus, you need to tilt the bottle in order to spray down. It's uncomfortable and can even lead to injury when the bottle is full. Also, there's a safety risk if kids get a hold of it and start spraying chemicals. Then there's storage. Ordinary spray bottles just take up too much space. Finally, it's top heavy. The next shift story starts years ago when Tyler and his wife Valerie worked at their family dry cleaners, where a need was identified and Pivot was invented. They are passionate about Pivot and committed to making this happen because they know how frustrating it can be to use a spray bottle that doesn't do the job right. They've been there and they know how you feel. You're tired of wasting time, you're tired of throwing cleaning solution out, you're tired of priming and getting nothing but air. Pivot is the answer.
Introducing BLANC, a full cover face mask that protects your eyes, nose, and mouth. Thanks to advanced replaceable filters, you're breathing clean air. Midline magnets gently fix BLANC over the face. Reusable HEPA filters protect you from particles, vapors, and aerosols. BLANC adjusts to individual anatomical features of the face and head, making for a supremely comfortable fit. BLANC is 1,000 masks in one. Its front panel is changeable with any material, color, and texture, depending on the message you put out there. Choose your BLANC.
Hey! Feeling thirsty? How about a cold plastic bottle of water? Still thirsty? Great. Here's 1.5 billion more. That's how many plastic bottles we consume every day. And our love affair with plastic is choking the environment. Ah, your reusable bottle. And only thorough, intense scrubbing every day can clean them properly. Not to mention, there's that musty bottle smell that never seems to go away, even after multiple washes. But don't give up. Now there's a way to get fresh, clean water without smelly bottles or polluting plastics. Introducing Auron, the self-cleaning water bottle that purifies your water in seconds. With Auron, you can carry pure water wherever you go, whether it comes from the faucet, the fountain, or the river. So, how does it work? Auron uses UVC technology to clean itself and purify your water. To purify your water, just fill the bottle, close the lid, and touch the button. In just 60 seconds, now that's pure water. Take it with you anywhere. Auron is light, spill-proof, and sweat-proof. Carry it around in your bag all day without the risk of your electronics getting wet. Auron is ultra-tough and super insulated. It's made from corrosion-resistant and rust-proof 304 steel. Did we mention Auron is for more than just water? Auron is compatible with any beverage. Its double-walled design and vacuum insulation keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12.
With Auron, you can check the temperature of your drink at any time with its built-in temperature display. Auron can also remind you to keep you hydrated every hour.
When it's time to do the washing, Auron's extra-wide opening makes it simple to clean without brushes, squeegees, and cramped hands. Auron's 100% stainless steel build also makes sure that residue and smells don't stick. And the smell? Always fresh and neutral. Never bad bottle odor, no matter what you put inside. Don't worry about downtime. Auron lasts for up to 2 months on a single charge. And Auron's lifespan is about 300,000 uses. That's 6 purifications a day for 137 years. By using Auron, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help reduce global fossil fuel consumption every sip. If you need another reason, using Auron can save you hundreds of dollars a year on water filter replacements, plastic water bottles, and cleaning materials. For a healthier you and a healthier planet, experience clean water at the touch of a button. Experience Auron.